bata pa rin ako ngayon. Ako ngayon. I went to see the doctor. Sabi niya, meron akong spondylosis dito. Spondylosis is a degenerative disease. So, walang cure. It will degenerate continuously hanggang maging bedridden or paralyzed na. Yan, I was 29 years old. Tapos, the doctor gave me corset. Yung corset, yung panga na may metal. May metal. Sabi niya, ng doktor, hindi daw ako pwede mag-gano'n, tapos limited again. Sa may analysis, if I will follow what the doctor told me, di ba ma-atrophy yung mga maging maligid. Tapos, the Lord guided me. Nakabasa ako na swimming is best for back pains. So, I removed my corset. Kahit I was already in and out the PT. Meron yung hot compress, may test, basta ganon yung ko. So, I removed it, I went swimming. So, when I was swimming, syempre, I had to enroll again because kasi yung kumuha ko ng swimming lessons noon, yun yung sa college, kumuha ko ng A grade of A, pero hindi proper ang swimming. Parang, you go from one point to the other point without breathing. Platay na, di ba? Yun ang technique. But I did not learn how to swim. So I have to learn how to swim again. So when I got pregnant with my second child, so excited yung friends ko. Binigyan ako ng maternity swimsuit. Ang color pa naman ng maternity swimsuit, white with red flowers. Diba? Very attractive. Tapos gano'n yung dyan. That was 1992. So, but I was shy then. Very shy ako noon. So, lumakad na ako papunta sa swimming pool. So, it was a public pool. Tapos, syempre, kung kayo naman nandun, anong gagawin nyo? Nakita nyo yung buntis, attractive pa swimming pool ng swimsuit. Anong gagawin nyo? Di ba tingin na din kayo? Pwede. So, nakatingin sila habang ako rumarampa. Hindi ako marunong rumampa. Alam niyo, pagdating ko sa dulo ng nadulas ako. Agay talaga. Masakit. Alam niyo kung anong pinakamasakit. Ang anak ko, gumalaw. Ang pinakasakit doon, mukha ko. That's my most embarrassing moment. Siyempre, marami nakatingin. Tapos, ganun yun ang nangyari. Ngayon, tumawa kayo. Ganun naman mga Pinoy, di ba? We are Filipinos. Tumatawa kayo because it happened long time ago. So, buntis ako. Tapos, ida-ida sa pagbuntis ko, maraming beses din ako slide yung last. By the way, before 1990, I already had several episodes of not being able to walk. Because suki ako sa pagbulot. My first memory was when I was 5 years old, nahulog ako. I fell down the stairs. Hindi pa, dahil nagbawalis ako pa ganyan, tapos na gano'n. Tapos yun ang first memory ko, earliest memory. Tapos dalaga ako. Gano'n pa rin, palagi ako nahulog. Suki ako sa aksidente. Yan na. Tapos, tingnan ko muna yung pa. Okay, tapos yung 2003, nag-car accident ako. Malakas talaga ang impact ng whiplash. So, akala ko okay lang. Through the years, after 7 years, iba na yung pakiramdam ko. Yung, I could not see well, and I had this disturbing pain that I cannot understand. So, I went to the doctor. The doctor said, so, pina-MRI. Kasama din yung lumbar. Tapos, this cervical, sabi niya, the condition of your spine is like that of an old woman. Siguro 80 years old. I was 49 years old then. So sabi ko lang, paano to? Parang I did not like to understand. Parang pumasok lang, ganyan. Piti, tapos inulang, I took this pain reliever. After that, I felt better. Oh, okay naman, kiat naman. Diba? Okay. Tapos, kala ko, okay lang talaga. 2017, that was my worst attack. I cannot sit straight for 1 hour. But then, I was praying that the Lord will send me out. Kasi ayaw ko din. Parang it was a signal. It was the start of my being paralyzed, diba? You have this pain and you cannot sit straight for 1 hour, and then later on, and then the doctor will give you pregabalin and sometimes tramadol. Tapos yung the side effect of those medicine. Lipong-lipong, you have those parang motion sickness. Tapos kaya pala, sabi ng isang doktor, if you take this medicine, you just stay at home. Now you stay at home, so what's the point of taking the medicine? And I will be at home, and I cannot even walk around because baka matumba. So, sabi ko, parang hindi naman okay itong mga gamot. Parang it will worsen my condition, and I will be at home, always waiting, sitting down, just waiting for the sunset. Parang sabi ko, ay, sunset naman siguro. So, I decided, sana ba? Yung 2010 MRI ko. So, hindi ako naniwala. So, 2017, first episode, I had the MRI again. My condition worsened in the lumbar and the cervical. This cervical here, from normal from 2010 to 2017, naging 3 normal, naging 2 na lang ang normal na spine dito. And spondylosis is the wear and tear of the spine through the years. Tapos yung, when I was young, napaka-hyper ko. Nag-join pa ako ng football team. O, kahit hindi dapat mag-slide, nag-slide pa. Para syempre feeling okay. Ganon yun. Tapos, so sabi ng doctor, your condition has worsened. Tapos, syempre, balik-balik na ako sa PT. 3 times a week and 3 hours per session. Kasama na yung traction dito, attraction sa baba. Because, tapos, then you have something to push, and they will let you hold something, a button. Because if you cannot tolerate the pain, you have to press it so that it will stop or send alarm. Now, my thinking, what if I fell asleep and thinking that everything was okay? So, natodas na yun, di ba? Additional. You know what? The Lord is so good. In 2018, when I already decided that I will be a PWD, therefore, I must be very careful of myself. I will take care of my body. That's why I got this PWD ID. I was 56 years old then. Member na ako sa 20%. You see, ito, patunayan na ako ay certified disgrasyada. Alam yung disgrasya. Pagka may pasigig disgrasya, di ba? Bisaya, sa Tagalog ano yung disgrasya? Pero ibang meaning naman yung iba, disgrasyada. Ako ay certified disgrasyada because of the accidents that I had since I was small. So, patunayan. So, bilib na talaga kayo na ako ay PWD. So, 2018, ito naman si Benjon. Kasama kami sa insurance noon. Dahil si Benjon, sabi niya sa akin, because at that time, I cannot sit straight for 1 hour. Wala pa nga 1 hour. Pupunta na ako sa isang room. I have to stretch my back. I lay down on the table. Parang okay na. There, I do my work again. And then, this Benjamin, she said, I noticed that you are very weak. Actually, I was in pain. I was in pain talaga. From head to foot, I was in pain. I cannot sleep straight at night because at night, parang merong langgam na gumagapang. Tapos sabi lang, nagtanong ako sa doktor, ano yun, Dok? Sabi niya, pain niya ng nerves mo. During the day, you cannot notice it because you are busy. But at night, you are still, you can feel the pain here. And then, kasi spondylosis ko, lumbar at cervical. So marami ang kalso. Hindi ko alam kung saan ang kunan dito para maano lang, makakomportable lang. Meron akong vertigo din. Tapos ito si Benjo, sabi niya, subukan mo. Subukan mo lang, baka chik basi maayo ka. So I trusted him. Hindi ako nagpupipi, hindi ko tinginan, ano ba talaga ingredients, ganon, is this legit? Wala, kinuha ko na yung batel. Tapos later, so nag-sign up na ako. Tapos yung, I felt better.
Yes.
Parang, I can already see it. Not for now. I can already jump. Sila ko yung iba yan. Di ba? Hindi na ako PWD. Pero sabi na, siyempre wala akong pera nun. But I was desperate, so swipe card. Tapos ito naman mga upline ko, si Ann at si Benja, sabi, I can just share the product so that you can have your products for free. Ako, gusto ko talaga free. So, punta sila sa Zamboanga, na OPP. Tapos sabi, just invite ako. So, nag-PM ako sa isang friend ko, sabi ko sa kanya, attend ka na, OPP. Sabi niya sa akin, that was 2018. Wala tayong stock, no? Sabi niya sa akin, Chief, meron ka ba stocks? So, apply ko, okay talaga si Ate Beth. Yes, meron kaming stocks. Kukuha ako worth 3 million, 4 million. Around 2 million. Naging 2-star agad ako. Very good. So, parang tulong lagi. So, nakabayad ako ng credit card ko. So, I was very comfortable. So, tingin ko doon, meron ako another side hustle, doing leeway. Actually, by the way, I am a professional secondary math teacher. Naging classroom teacher ako for some time. Then, when I was a teacher, kasi siyempre, kulang naman ang sahod ng teacher. Sa Corpus Christi, kulang sahod ng teacher. So, ma-silent ako. Para hindi ako mag-loan dito. Silent ako sa insurance.
Oh, no.
Sa insurance ako, nag-take off na ako. Munting if you hit the target, kung meron pa palang international trips, maganda, di ba? So, I left the 4 walls so that I can see the world for free. So, the insurance, I became 6-time MDRT,
Wow.
then 1-time COT. For those who don't know that, the MDRT is $1 Million Round Table. So the minimum income for that year is 1 million. Okay. So, and you will be a member of the Association of Financial Professionals Worldwide. Maganda talaga. Maganda. Tapos, nag-COT ako noong 2022. So, I enjoyed the trip. Yung pumunta ka sa Belgium. I enjoyed it. Tapos, you know what? Last November 24, I tendered my resignation as a financial advisor in the insurance. Pero sayang naman. Sayang kasi parang nakapundar na ako, system ko, tapos konting galaw, meron na. But I have to let it go. 2 reasons. Number 1, last July 2024, I went to UK.